Hi everyone, Deborah Sanderson, Coldwell Banker, and I'm out in Pebble Beach here on a beautiful sunny day. And some great news for the real estate business. We are now allowed to hold open houses. So as you come down or visit around town, you'll see that we now have open houses signs. There are things you need to do. You need to, of course, make sure you don't have COVID before entering the house, but also they might have to kind of have people wait to go in because we don't want too many people in at the same time. And then they generally have you sign a disclosure, which basically says, you know, you're, as far as you know, you're free from COVID and feeling fine. So it's wonderful because now you can go look at houses and, you know, mill around town. And then the other thing is we are back to broker tour, which is great for agents. So those houses that are taking a little longer to sell because they're a little unique can now have visitors, and we can have agents come in and take a look around so we can share with our clients. All right, little update this week. Today is the 19th of May. All right, take care, have a good day, and let me know if you have any questions.